Our topic is to find second derivative in of second derivative. Second derivative in 12th class. Exercise 5.7. Here question is y equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. First of all, we have to find dy by dx. This is first derivative. It is also called first derivative. And this is, we know that x square differentiation of x square 2x and plus 3 into 1 plus 0. Next, divided by d square. This is second derivative, and we have to find second. It is easy. 2 into 1 plus 3. 3 में मतलब 2 ही होगा. 3 मीन्स कांस्टेंट, तो कांस्टेंट का 0. तो आंसर इज 2 into 1. So second derivative is this, and we have to explain. Here y equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. We have dy by dx equal to this is differentiation of 2x plus 2x. Here 3 into 1 और constant का 0. We have 2x plus 3. Second derivative we also denote d square y upon dx square. It is the symbol of second derivative. So 2 into 1 plus 3 is constant. So this is 0. So answer is 2. This is explanation. Second question. Y equal to x 20. This is question. First derivative it is dy by dx, and this is 20x, or this is 20 minus 1. This is 19. It is very easy. G square y. This is also called second derivative, and this is the second derivative. It is also easy. 20. 19 is formula, and x 19 minus 1. This is 18. It is also called 19 to the 38. So 380 x to the power 18. This is second derivative. We have to explain. Question is y equal to x to the power 20. First derivative. This is symbol dy by dx. 20 x 19. Also, this is also one time we also differentiate. We get d2y upon dx square. It is the symbol of second derivative also. And 20 19 back by the formula, or x or 19 minus. This is the algebraic formula. Second question we also. Second and third question. Y equal to x cos x. X cos x. So dy by dx. First derivative x cos x. This is also sin plus cos x x का 1. This is u and this is v, product of two functions. Then also we have to differentiate second time. It is also called d square y upon d x square. So we have minus x sin x differentiation cos x plus sin x into 1, or cos x का minus sin x. Finally this is the answer, and this is the second derivative. First of all we have to explain y equal to x cos x. This is u and v, the product of two functions. So x is remaining, differentiation of cos x का minus sin x, फिर plus cos x into 1. Second derivative we have to symbol d2y upon dx के power 2. This is second derivative, and this is the product of two functions. तो x sin x का cos x, और यहाँ पे sin x into 1, और cos x का minus sin x. This is the second derivative. Fourth question. Y equal to log x. Y equal to log x. First of all, find dy by dx. Then this is 1 upon x. Next d2 we have also write x के power -1. -1 is back by the formula of algebra, or x to the power -1 -1. This is equal to -1 upon x square. And we have to explain y equal to log x, first derivative dy by dx. So log x का 1 upon x, this is also x to the power -1. Second derivative d2y upon dx square. This is the symbol of second derivative. And -1 is this is the form of algebraic -1 back, और x के बाद -1 -1 is also -1. इसको प्लस करने के लिए 1 upon x square. This is the fourth result. y equal to x to the power 3 log x. First of all, find dy upon, very easy, u and v. This is u and this is v. First of all, we have to write x to the power 3 into 1 upon x plus log x or into 3x square. 3x square. So x, this is also x square, x is, and this is x square, and this is 3x square. It means 3x square log x. We have also two terms. We have also d square. Second derivative is symbolic form, and this is x square. So this means 2x. And this is also product of two functions. 3 is constant, so we have to small bracket x square log x का 1 upon x plus, and second is log x into x square का 2x. This is the second derivative. First of all, we have to define y equal to x के power 3 log x. dy by dx, first derivative, this is u and this is v. We have to check x के power 3 log x का 1 by x, फिर plus the and log x और 3x square. Second term इससे cancel, तो ऊपर में x square minus log x into 3x square. 3 is constant, x square, u and v, तो u x square log x का derivative 1 upon x, फिर plus log x into 2x. This is the second derivative. We have to also explain. Sixth, y equal to e to the power x into sin 5x. This is also u and this is also. First of all, we have to find first derivative dy by dx. E to the power x sin x 5x and cos x into, this is 5. So 5 e के power x into cos 5x plus e के power x same, and this is also sin 5x पे cos 5x sin 5x. Also we have to explain, this is also we have to write d square y upon dx square. This is 5 constant, फिर product of the function, so e to the power x cos 5x, so this is sin 5x, 5 is here, plus sin 5x into e to the power x. This is the product function of u and v. We have also here e to the power x. We have also two terms. फर्स्ट है आपका e to the power x और साइन का sin 5x. 5 is here, so this is cos plus sin 5x into e to the power x. We have four terms. First of all, we have to explain u x sin 5x. So dy by dx equal to 5 e to the power x cos 5x plus e to the power x sin 5x. We have also product of two functions. So this gives two terms. 5 is constant e to the power x and 5 the sin 5x plus sin 5x into e to the power x. This is the product of two terms. Here also product. So this is 5 e के power x और यहाँ पे cos 5x plus sin 5x into e to the power x. This is e to the power 6x into e to the power 6x into cos 3x. This is equal to y. First of all, we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx. This is first of all e to the power 6x remaining, and this is the differentiation. So 3 cos का sin 3x plus 6 e to the power 6x into cos 3x. We have to explain this is first derivative and here are second derivative. We have also we have to second, so constant is 3, so we have to write 3 is here and differentiation of sin 3x, so 3 cos 3x into e to the power 6x plus 6 e to the power 6x into sin 3x. This is the second question, and we have also explained here plus 6 is let's say e to the power को 6 e to the power 6x cos 3x फिर माइनस sin, so this is cos minus sin 3x, 3 is here and e to the power 6x. So this is the last term. We have to explain y equal to e to the power a u into v. So u is here e to the power 6x and differentiation of this function, so 3 sin 3x फिर plus and differentiation of this one 6 e to the power 6x into cos 3x. Second, we have also second derivative, so this is 3 remaining constant, so 3 cos 3x differentiation of this or e के power 6x. By this way we have to explain u and v formula. तुम ना तो स्टार्ट करना tan inverse x. We have to also find question number 8 y equal to tan inverse x. So we have to find dy by dx and tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square and d square by second. So this is ऊपर we have to also write 1 plus x square power minus 1. So this is just symbol of minus 1. We have also write minus 1 or 1 plus x square minus 1 a minus 2 or into 2x. This is the second derivative. First of all, we have to y equal to tan inverse x. We know that dy by dx 1 upon 1 plus x square, or we also write 1 plus x bar minus 1. Second derivative, we have to differentiate. This is just like x k power n. So minus 1 plus x k power minus 2 is 2 into 2. This is the last. This is d square y upon dx square. One question is remaining 9. Log x. First of all, we have to find first derivative dy by dx. So 1 upon log x, or log x 1 upon log x into 1 upon log x, or log x square 1 upon x. We have to also find the second derivative d square y upon dx square. We have also write this is 1 and x log x. This is u and this is v. First of all, we have to write to x. This is u, this is v. This is v square. V square means x log x whole square. Here is x log x. 1 का हो गया 0, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 0, फिर माइनस, मतलब 1 इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दिस फंक्शन. तो x इंटू 1 अपॉन x प्लस log x into 1. This is the second derivative. First of all, we have to explain y equal to log x. First derivative by chain rule, 1 by log x into 1 upon x. We also get u upon v. So 1 upon x log x. So u upon v, and this is u upon v. V square, v is remaining, और derivative of 1 equal to 0. फिर formula में minus and 1 difference. This is 1 and this is derivative x log x. So x into 1 upon x plus log x into 1. This is the product of two functions. So this is the answer. This is the complete answer. Last